This is a lightning series for Amazon's phrase match keyword campaigns. From Seller Central, click on the hamburger icon, then click on Advertising, then click on Campaign Manager. That will take you to this screen, the Campaign Manager. Click on Create Campaign. Then it will take you to this screen where you will want to choose Sponsored Products, Create Campaign. The next screen will be where you can start choosing your variables. You can leave ad groups the same, leave Amazon Beyond the same, and you can start typing in your product name, the ASIN, or the SKU that you're going to use. You can locate the SKU or ASIN from the inventory screen. Here's an example of that. I have the ASIN here of this product. You can locate it from the product page. I have the ASIN here up in the title bar. So let's go back. If you don't see your product there, put the ASIN, click Add, and scroll down. We're going to keep it on keyword targeting because we're doing a phrase match campaign. I'm going to uncheck exact, broad. I can choose a suggested keyword like olive oil, and I'll add that, and it's a suggested bid already. You can also choose enter list and actually enter whatever keyword you wanted to target. We'll go with suggested, scroll down. Negative targeting we'll get to in another show. Dynamic bids down, dynamic bids up and down, or fixed bids. It's recommended to go with either the second or third because the first one can get a little out of hand with spend initially. Bid adjustments are really important to understand. We'll get into that in another episode. Check out the description for more details on that. And campaign name is extremely important. If you're organizing your house, you put labels on the boxes of the items in there so you can find them later. That is the same for campaign naming. When you set up dozens, if not hundreds or thousands of campaigns, the campaign naming structure is extremely important for locating and managing all those campaigns. I have a structure that I found from another Amazon seller, and I think it's pretty good. They use the structure product name, ASIN. SPM is sponsored product manual targeting. Source keywords would be the keyword olive oil in this case, and phrase is our type. So I'm going to copy and paste that here, and I'm just going to show you pretty quickly. Phrase is going to stay the same. Source keyword is, in this instance, olive oil. Okay. The ASIN, I'm going to double click on that, and I'm going to get that here. I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste that ASIN there. I want that space back. And product name, I'm going to actually enter the product name. And this is Zahara 500, which is the size in a gift box. Okay, that's the product name. I'll be able to either locate it in search with the ASIN or the product name in the future. I'm going to go with a daily budget of $35, the suggested budget. If you're on a budget, start with 15 and really keep an eye on that. You may need to raise it pretty quickly if you're finding really good results from the campaign. The start date is going to be today. I'm not going to set an end date. I never do. But if you're using this campaign for very specific reasons, like the holidays or Prime Days or whatever, you could set end dates on the campaigns. You can leave portfolio blank. I'm only targeting the US market. That's where the inventory is. If you're targeting other markets, select them, of course, and click Launch Campaign. That is how you set up a phrase match campaign. Now, there's other resources in the description to learn other campaign types, as well as to check out more detailed theory around or my experience around some of this information. I'll organize it in the description. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.